And it's smoking. Get it off the car.
No, it's been smoking.
Seriously, this is how it's been going. What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. Today we got a little throwback time capsule. We're going lost footage way back. This video is actually 2 years old, a little over 2 years old. This was the day before Mustang Week 2018. Me and Kenny had just finished wrapping the Shelby. This was Saturday and we were leaving Sunday to go to Mustang Week, me and Syph and TJ. And I was completely burnt out at this point. I was exhausted. I had put in so much time wrapping the car. The car in the video, the wrap looks mint. It looks really good. Now it's a little over 2 years later. It's pretty beat up by now. It needs to come off. But this is some lost footage of us installing Underglow on the car. Did it turn out well? No. Did the hot glue that I show you that Jared tried to use work? Nah, we just zip tied it. But it did look pretty cool. I'll see if I can find a couple clips from Mustang Week. I only had it on for 2 days because the first night that we were at Mustang Week, my battery actually died. I blamed it on the Underglow. I know it wasn't the Underglow. It was a bad battery. But I took the Underglow off. I was just a little frustrated. The whole thing was frustrating at that point. But it did look pretty cool. If I keep the car and we, drive it a little bit more, maybe I'll add this back in. It doesn't weigh anything, but it looks pretty cool in my opinion. So let me know what you think of this time capsule, and thanks for watching, guys. What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We got stickers. We got stickers. Fiance over there. Don't worry, you're not in it. You're not in it. She's eating. We got Kenny. We're installing everybody's favorite mod, and he already messed it up. You just saw that. He already messed one kid up.
That really on film.
That was on film. We got LED Underglow. This is everybody's favorite mod, right? Like everybody likes this. It matches the car, changes color, looks awesome, it's bright. We got not one, but two kits here, people. Even though he may have just broke the controller on one. Maybe we can just run both kits off from one controller.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yes. So we'll see how it goes. Jared loves to wire stuff up, and he said that he has nothing better to do, and he will stay here until it's completely wired up. She's like staring me down.
Okay.
Not so much.
But yeah,
It's caught on fire.
the wire melted.
I can smell it burning.
No, Kenny?
Kits are pretty simple, not much to them. 40 bucks off of eBay. We got 2 kits so we can cover the whole car. Pretty excited about this. And everybody's gonna make fun of me. But they're already gonna make fun of me, so what do I care? Right, Jared? Yeah.
It's like
Is that
clockwork.
my coffee or your coffee? How's it coming, Jared?
Sucks, man.
You're hot gluing it?
You've got nothing, the tape doesn't stick because it's all like painted and whatever. So it's tape, but it didn't hold up, so now I'm hot gluing on top of it. And I've got 3rd-degree burns on my arm.
So Jared has the Underglow kit installed. The front looks really good.
Is the front changing? What's the front?
Purple,
Just purple?
purple, 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 purple.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Jared loves neons. He did a good job.
Yeah. The problem, you're just gonna have to.
Just use purple?
No, it'll connect, but it's not every time. You just got to keep trying it until it gets both of them.
Yeah.
Because it says 2 connected, but it's not working. But I know it works. So you know, I put one in the trunk too, right?
Yeah. Saw that.
You didn't.
I didn't comment on that. But you pulled the wire up, so it's not on the ground. Man, look at that rat! And then he put one up there. I think that one's gonna burn out from the heat.
Shit, that one's gonna get burned out.
Huh?
Just say that one's gonna get burned out.
Yeah.
It's whatever. Subtle. Very subtle.
Still be under the car.
Huh?
I was hoping you would still be under the car.
No, because it took me 9 minutes to start it. So.
Alright guys, hit that like button, because if you made it this far, you gotta love neon as much as we do, right? Jared's nickname is Stickers, but it also could be neon, or LED, mostly neon I guess, right?
Yeah.
So
Neons, LEDs, rice, whatever.
Right.
It's all the same.
So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the LED. Love it or hate it.
Oh, please do it.
It is what it is. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget, we also have a saying on this channel. If you're new to the channel, if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.